This vacuum pressure sensor can be easily checked with an ohm meter. What you want to do is remove these two wires. Place the ohm meter leads on the vacuum sensor. Turn the furnace on. As this fan comes on, it'll draw air out of the chamber. Activate the sensor. The sensor will go from infinite value resistance to a very low value resistance. In this case, it is working correctly. Our problem here is with the ignition. It's failing to ignite when the furnace comes on. Turn the furnace on. There's igniters in there. They're supposed to heat up. When the control board brings gas into the burner, it'll light. Since they're not working, I'm going to manually light it. Turn this down to a very low flame. You place that in there. Manually lit it. So it's possible to manually light one of these even though it's not pilot light style burner. You can light it. You have to wait for the correct time. Here the relay on the control board engage, which is trying to start the igniter. That's when you need to apply the flame. Now we know that the igniter is not working. The control board's working because we just heard the blower fan come on. We've checked everything. This is good. This component's good. Got gas. Control board's operational. Fan is working.